My name is Terry West. I'm the Chief Operations Officer for Eddy's group, which we have 7 dealerships. Bringing hours into the shop, bringing customers into the shop is my priority. So anytime there's new technology out there, I have to entertain that because it's all about my employees. Sales rep from Hunter, Bruce Anderson, came into my office, and my relationship with Bruce is a funny relationship. I used to kick him out of my office all the time, and he came in, he goes, "I need 1 minute of your time." He put an iPad in front of me and showed me the Quick Check Drive, and it was love at first sight. And when I saw this piece of equipment, I knew that I could build customer retention with it. I could offer customers something that nobody else had. It was a no-brainer to put it in all the stores. Plus, this machine pays for itself in months and not years. When we got the Quick Check Drives, we have billboards, and free alignment check went on the billboards right away. When a customer pulls in, first thing it does is take 40 pictures of the vehicle. It protects the customer and protects us against body damage claims, which at Toyota typically runs between $6,000 and $8,000 a month. The flight board and the 85-inch monitor was a big deal to me. Every time they pull in, they're going to look up the board and see if their car is still in alignment. Since we put in the Quick Check Drive, our alignment sales has went up 300%, which is amazing. In the month of February, we sold right at 38 alignments total for the entire month. After getting Quick Check Drive, we sold 161 alignments. In subsequent months, I would not be surprised to see us hit the 300 plus alignments per month with the equipment we have. I did the math. At 30 a day is going to generate just under $1 million in retail alignment sales in a 12-month period. I saw that this alignment check had so much potential that there's no way that my alignment machines were going to keep up. And so we purchased 2 Hunter alignment machines in conjunction with the Quick Check Drives, knowing that the volume was going to exceed our capability. Hunter equipment is quality and it's efficient. So when you start bringing equipment in that makes everybody's job easier and faster, it's a win-win.